everyone! Today I'm going to be making a omelette casserole baked in the oven. So what I have ready is I have a small pan that I've lined with parchment paper. I have some hash browns, some bacon that I pre-cooked halfway, and then I've cut up some vegetables, some mushrooms, tomatoes, some spinach, red onions, and I have some eggs and some salt and pepper. So let me get started. I'm going to get my pan ready and I'm going to line it with my hash browns. So I'm just going to put them at the base of this omelet that I'm making. So we have them nicely lined at the bottom. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer inside of the pan on top of the hash browns. I'm going to be putting my mushrooms, my onions, my tomato, some spinach, and I'm making sure when I put them in the pan that there is a nice balance of all the ingredients so that there's a consistent flavor throughout the whole omelette casserole. Now that I have my vegetables put in, I'm going to get my eggs ready. So I'm going to be using around 5 small eggs. And then I'm going to beat the eggs. I'm going to be adding some goat milk in with my eggs as well. And now that that's done, I'm going to be adding in some salt and pepper. Then I'm going to mix that all up, and then I'm going to pour that into my casserole dish that I prepared with the hash browns and the vegetables. Once that's complete, I'm going to be putting in some of the bacon, and then I also have some dairy-free, soy, and gluten-free cheese. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line some of that on top of my casserole, and then I'm going to bake it in the oven. Once I have that complete, I'll show you what it looks like. My omelette casserole has been baking in the oven for about 20 minutes now. I added in the eggs with the bacon to finish it off. I baked it in the oven, and now it's complete. So we can take it out of the casserole dish. And as you can see, it's a nice mold of the eggs. There's a consistency of the flavors throughout the casserole. And now I can cut it up. I will serve it with some nice biscuits, and it's all complete. If you like this recipe and you want to see more like this, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that share, like, and that bell notification. Please note that you'll see the description of all the ingredients that went into this recipe down below.